Russian President Vladimir Putin and his Finnish counterpart, Sauli Niinisto, held a phone conversation on Saturday and discussed Helsinki's intention to join the North Atlantic Treaty Organization. According to a press release by the President's Office of Finland, in the call initiated by Helsinki, Niinisto informed Putin of Finland's decision to seek NATO membership in the next few days. Meanwhile, the Kremlin said in a statement that Putin stressed that abandoning the traditional policy of military neutrality would be a mistake, since there are no threats to Finland's security. Putin expressed concern that should Helsinki follow through with plans to join NATO, it may have a negative impact on Russia-Finland relations. Also on Saturday, Ukrinform news agency reported that Ukraine and Russia are negotiating the evacuation of 60 people from the Azovstal steel plant in Mariupol. At the current stage, the evacuation concerns severely injured soldiers and medical workers. Ukrainian Deputy Prime Minister Irina Vereshchuk was quoted as saying, who added that there are several hundred injured at the Azovstal plant in total. Mariupol, a key Azov seaport city in eastern Ukraine, has seen one of the worst bouts of bloody violence in the Russia-Ukraine conflict. The Azovstal plant, which covers an area of about 11 square kilometers, is the holdout of the Ukrainian forces in Mariupol.